In this lesson, we will discuss set builder notation. Suppose we have universal set which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. The question is write the following sets in the set builder notation, where the first one is, suppose if I say 11, 12, 13 and 14. 11, 12, 13 and 14, and this is listing in braces, right? These are the braces and I have put 11, 12, 13 and 14 here. Your question is you have to write down in the form of set builder notation, and our u is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So how we will write down? We will write down x, right, belongs to or a member of u. Whatever we are going to write, it should a member of this from 1 to 20, such that this line represents while, or such that x is greater than equal to 11, and here it is less than equal to 14. So see, if this is called the set builder notation, x belongs to u while or such that x is greater than or equal to 11. So this is greater than and equal to 11, but it should be less than or equal to 14. So we will write down 11, 12, 13, 14 from this universal set. We cannot write down 21, 22. We have to finish whatever the question is. We have a boundaries from 1 to 20. So this is the first. This is the required answer. Suppose second is 6, 8, 10, 12 and 16. First you have to decide what these are, right? These are the even numbers: 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. But these are not the first 5 even numbers. These are not the last 5 even numbers. We have to consider from 1 to 20. So this is from 6 to 16. So how we will write down in the form of set builder notation? We will write down x is the member of u. Whatever we are going to write, these are the member of u. Yes, these are the member of u because the u is from 1 to 20 and it is 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. Everything is there such that, right, x is even. X is even. Yes, we know it is even, and the range is x should be equal to 6 and lesser than equal to 16. This is the set builder notation. From here we can find out x is greater than equal to 6, so we have to start from 6 is lesser than equal to 16. If it is given in the form of set builder notation, you have to write down listing in braces, but here we have listing in braces, we have to write down in set builder notation. Third is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So we can say how we will write down. We will say x belongs to u such that x equal to 4n while x is 1 is lesser than equal to 5. So see what it says here. X belongs to u, these are u, while x is equal to 4n. These are the multiples of 4. See 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the multiples of 12, 4. But it should, what is n? Now what should be n? N is greater than equal to 1. When I will put c instead of this and 1, 4 one time, so I will get 4. When I will do 2, I will get 8. When I will put 3, 12, right? Same thing. So up to and equal to 5. I cannot write down 6 here, right? Because 6 4 times 24 and 24 is not here. It should be. These are the boundaries. Keep in mind u is from 1 to 20. One more question. Okay, I will write down. U is equal to 1 to up to 20. And suppose we have another question, 2, 5, 10 and 17. Suppose these four members. How you can write down in the set builder notation, right? So we will write down x belongs to u such that x equal to n square plus 1, right? And same thing, x is, here it says x is greater than equal to 1 or less than equal to 5. So 1 by 1 in n square plus 1, 1 by 1, first we will put 1, so it is 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Then we will put 2, so it will be 2 square plus 1 which is equal to 5, 4 plus, then 3 which is equal to 10, right? And then 4, so it will be 17, so it should be less than 5, right? If I will put 5, so 5 times 25, it will be more. It should be less than equal to 1. We have to start from 1, but less than 5, so we have to finish at 4, right? You can put these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will find out 2, 5, 10. This is the listing in braces, and this is called the set builder notation. In this exercise, you have learned, if the question is given in listing in braces, how we can write down in set builder notation. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.